Okay guys, so the crew is inside. They're painting the house. They just started the spraying. So the last couple of days they were filling in the nail holes, and then they just covered the windows with the plastic. So now they're spraying. So let's go inside, we'll take a look. Okay guys, right now we have the painters here and we are spraying the trim and the doors, any of these semi-gloss items. So let's go take a look. I'll show you how it's going. Alright, so we sprayed this room and you can see the doors. This is the first coat. We have the closet shelving in there. And that has the first coat also. The base trim. The windows. This is all first coat. Down here we're prepping with tape, paper. I'll show you the windows, flooring. So you can see we're putting the brown paper down. We're taping all the windows so that they can spray them. Putting paper down wherever we have to spray against the floor. Covering up the railings all the way up with plastic. You can see it's a lot of preparation. Over here, you can see all the box molding. All the nails are filled. All the prep caulking is done. That was the first phase. Okay guys, so we're back on location. It's a day later, and the painters had finished the second coat of the semi-gloss trim and door paint. So we had that installed on all the trim going around the windows, the base, the doors, all that's completed. We pulled off all of the protective paper, the plastic. So let me show you around a little bit. All right, so we're here in the master bedroom, and this is the painting of the trim. Let's get a close-up here. Look how nice that looks. You got that semi-gloss finish. You got the crown up top. You also have the base. That's a 5.5 inch base. All that's been sprayed. There's no brush marks on any of this. It is all finished. Looks like it's baked on right from the factory. And let's take a look in the master closet. All right, so we walk in here. We have the master bathroom. We got the custom shower over there. We got the double vanity. Soak tub is going right here. And as we walk through here, we have the master closet and you can see custom bench. We have the upper and lower framework for the poles, and then we have a whole shelving unit set up over here for shoes, foldables. We have upper shelves on the top, and then over here we have another unit. It's going to be for longer apparel, and then we have another bar set up over in the corner there. So all this was custom made by my guys, my trim crew, my paint crew, and now we're just finishing off the we'll finish off the paint in here, and once my trim crew comes back, we'll put the poles in, the hardware, and this will be all set up. So here's the best part. These are the doors. This is an arch top 2-panel door, and something about the spray, I just like the finish. The finish is completely smooth, no brush marks. I mean, it looks like it comes from the factory. You can see how nice this came out. There's 2 coats on here, and they sand them in between coats. Look at that shine on those doors. No brush marks, no trip marks. Look how nice that came out. So guys, you can see all the trim work that's involved here. We do a lot of crown moldings, a lot of oversized moldings. You have multiple choices for the doors, the interior doors. We have about 12 different styles that we provide our homeowners with. But the end result is, when it starts to come together, the painting, the finished floors, that's where we really want our product to shine. Take a look around. I'm going to show you some more of this trim in the hallway, the staircase going downstairs. Let's take a look. All right, so as we get up in one of the bedrooms up here, and as you get down out into the hallway, again, more oversized trims. I have the crown moldings going throughout, and then as you go down, you have the custom wall boxes in the upstairs hallway. And let's look down the stairs here. Look at how nice that looks going down the staircase. The wall boxes really dress this up, and this will be, again, the semi-gloss look, and then from there up we'll have the color of the paint that the homeowner chose, and it really breaks up the wall, gives a lot of detail. Okay, here's some more work that we have on the first floor. This is the dining area, and again, as you walk in the front, we have a large archway, and then once you look in there, you'll see all the trim work that we have on the panels and the crown molding. So let's take a look in there as well. Okay, so we walk in the front door, we have the staircase going up. You saw the panels momentarily ago, and then we have the dining room. You see this on a lot on our jobs. We have the boxes, the chair rail, and this goes around the perimeter of the dining area. Looks very similar to one of the last jobs I just did. And we have from there up, between the chair rail and the crown molding, we're going to have the color of the paint that the homeowner chose, and that will get really bring out nice look in this dining area. Over here is a pretty cool little accent we put in. We have the walkway in between the dining room and the kitchen, and this is going to be a little bar area built in, entertaining, and that will separate the dining room from the kitchen. We have the quartz countertop in place and a built-in sink, and that's all. Another accent here that we have more crown moldings up top with the crown, with the chair rail and the boxes, and it ends right here, and then it opens up into the kitchen. All right, let's take a look at the kitchen. I'll show you the cabinetry, and we have the appliances ready to be installed. We have it right now covered by the for the painting that's going on, but let me show you around. All right, as we walk down the hall here, you can see the kitchen is all wrapped up right now, but we have the family room being painted, and then we turn around here, you can see the island and the full cabinetry going all the way around. These cabinets go up to the ceiling, and we have more countertops in place already. You can see the farm sink under mount, and here we have our exhaust hood with the dental crown going around the perimeter. It's really starting to come together. Now over here we have the island with a built-in microwave, and the wine cooler is going to go over here. And again, as you're looking from this angle, you have the bar area over there, and then the dining room. Hey guys, if you haven't done so already, click on the subscribe button, click the like button. We'd really appreciate it. And you'll see a lot of great content, all original, all filmed on location in New Jersey.